people, welcome to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto. Alright, this night I'm gonna plant none today because I'm going to promote Aceh for country, like United States or United Kingdom. You know what? This very tall, awesome, very wonderful, one word known to call about Bandar City. Look like from United States. This is very tall, beautiful, my friend. You know what? I myself, until now, I'm still focused for promo for Aceh 5 country. This is very important for me. Now I'm on top of the 9, like on the mountain, we call about Ujung mountain. He's very tall, awesome. Every single night, every single day, this coffee shop or this cafeteria, every people worldwide now they visit here to just enjoy it. But if you got a problem, you can invite your family to sit here or drink coffee here, or eat something here. This is very tall, awesome. I myself as tourist guide, I would like to invite a lot of tourists to visit Aceh. This is very tall, awesome. Look like how problem in your brain, in your mind, this can be revealed on the cloud now for yourself. So don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I myself, like Isabel Rondani, I'm going to focus Aceh for 5 to promote Aceh 5 this very tall, awesome. Alright, that's my time. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Alright, that's it. That's my time.